So if you like this recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe, make yourself a drink, and enjoy. Hi, welcome back to Dragon Eyes Kitchen. Today I will be making a refreshing drink, okay? It contains lime, mint, chia seeds, and the superfood, okay? So if you want to know how to make it, then stay, okay? I will only be using 2 limes. 2 limes go a long way, okay? A little bit of mint, like I said, superfood, chia seeds. Okay, I will also be using raw honey and obviously sugar, okay? Not a lot. So I will be adding okay, so I will be adding 3 cups of ice in here. I will be adding a dash of mint, 3 cups of ice, squeeze 2 limes in the blender. This is 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, just pour it in here. So we are going to add 2 tablespoons. Of the superfood. There's already a scoop in there, but for measurement purposes, I'm using this one. Okay, it's the same. It's a tablespoon. This one. So this just depends on your family size. Okay, I'm gonna be using 7 for a family of 4 to 6. Okay, 4 to 6, because it just depends on how much you want to drink. So I will be using 6 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I'm doing here is I'm straining it. Okay, so I will be doing the taste test. Really delicious. I really like the honey. It tastes very refreshing. The lime, and it's very healthy. It's got superfood. Enjoy.